Yo, what's up guys? Here for a tech review. I've done some unboxing videos before. This is my first like techie one. And today I just got this in the mail. I'm going to be unboxing the, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, the Deyard waterproof case. Deyard waterproof case for the DJI Spark drone, which is right here. So I also ordered a battery because I need another battery. Let's open this bad boy up. So the biggest reason why I'm getting a case is because I don't want to carry my drone in their boxes every time I go out with it. I wanted a case that could fit the controller, drone, batteries, memory cards, like all together. And this was only like $24 off Amazon. And the DJI shoulder strap bag is like $60. So I was like, let me look at this and see if this is worth it. First things first, here's the battery. Spare battery. It's in focus. Yeah. Here's the case itself. Oh, it's pretty cool. It's pretty. It looks like a lunchbox. Let's see. Alright. Let's unzip this bad boy. Okay, pretty nice. Has a nice like foam inside that molds to each part. And here's the top flap that I'm gonna put some paperwork and one of my memory cards in. Holds in real snug. Let's see how everything else fits. Here is the controller. Paperwork in here. And fun fact, I'm filming this whole thing with an iPhone 7. Just testing out the video quality on that also, and it's not so bad so far. Sometimes it's just easier and more convenient. Alright, here's the, gonna put the controller in. Fits snug. Doesn't really move around. That was the other thing too with the shoulder bag. I was watching a bunch of reviews on it. It looks like not everything was like snug, like it could just like fly around in your bag. Alright, let me get one of these batteries. I'm gonna have to, I don't know if these come fully charged or not, like before you open it. Let's see here. And this even comes with a pamphlet. I don't really know how much instructions you need for this. You just put it in the drone and then plug it in the charge. Man, talk about snug. Damn, these are really in there. Alright, so now for the battery test. That fits very snug too. It has these little holes to pull it out. Let's get to the good part, the drone itself. Let's see here. More paperwork. I even like the little case this came with, but it's like kind of cheap. It like feels like styrofoam. See how I'll put the actual drone in. Oh, look at that, fits snug. Man, I'm loving this case already. Look how snug everything fits. Nothing even jiggles around. I mean, granted, I haven't brought this out in the field yet, but still. Here's one of the spare propellers. Let's put that here. What else do I need in here? I think that's it, right? Oh no, the charger. All this stuff is going there. This is a little charger slot right here. Right here. Let's see. wait, that don't fit. Well, this doesn't fit. I guess that's supposed to go in here then? Thought that's where like the power adapter goes, but I don't have that, I don't believe. There's more paperwork. All this, I love this pouch though on the front. Oh, so I guess I can reattach the charger. I guess I can slide. Yeah, I can slide this in here. Here, just kind of. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. Look, here's the finished product. Fits everything perfectly. Literally, look, like nothing jiggles. Let's see. Oh, this is awesome. I'm gonna put some like stickers on this and decorate it a little bit. I mean, supposedly this thing is waterproof, but I wouldn't go submerging this anytime soon, just to play it safe. But yeah, all in all, I really like this. I don't know if I'm gonna give this like a rating or anything, but I definitely approve. 2 thumbs up for me. Alright guys, and I don't know how many tech reviews I'm gonna do, but I am in the process of getting a lot of new camera equipment. Maybe I'll start reviewing more things. If you want to like follow my journey and learn more techie stuff, more movie making, filmmaking, hit that like button and subscribe. All right, peace.